We start with potatoes, soft and round, laying them gently on the dish we found. Scatter some onions, let the layers grow. Red ripe tomatoes in a juicy glow. A sprinkle of parsley, fresh and green, makes the colors bright and serene. Then ketchup flows in a tasty line, pepper and curry, the perfect sign. Now take the drumsticks, tender and sweet, rub them with spices, a savory treat. Pepper and paprika, rich and bold, with a touch of ketchup, glossy gold. Place them on top of the waiting bed of fragrant flavors, perfectly spread. Add a little water, not too much. Seal the love with a careful touch. Into the oven, warm and slow, let the magic gently grow. When the aroma fills the air so steady, serve with a smile, enjoy when ready. Serve with a smile, enjoy when ready.